Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a business owner who frequently flies for work, you've likely considered airline credit cards as a way to maximize travel rewards and reduce costs. The Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card is one of the more popular options, offering a mix of miles, perks, and business-focused benefits. But in 2025, is it really worth it, or should you leave it behind for a different travel reward strategy? Today, we'll dive deep into every feature, benefit, fee, and potential drawback of the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card so you can make an informed decision. Let's start by addressing a common misconception. Most people assume all airline credit cards are created equal. The surprising truth is that the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card is designed specifically for frequent Delta flyers and its value depends heavily on how much you fly, where you fly, and how you redeem your miles. If you don't take advantage of these aspects, the card may not be worth the cost. Welcome bonus and initial offers. One of the most attractive features of the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card is its welcome bonus. In 2025, new cardholders can often earn 50,000 to 70,000 Sky Miles after meeting a minimum spending requirement, typically around $4,000 in the first 3 months. These miles can significantly offset the cost of domestic or short-haul international flights. For example, 50,000 Sky Miles could cover a round-trip domestic flight for a small business employee, depending on availability and route. If redeemed strategically for business travel, this bonus alone can provide a value of $700 to $1,000 making the initial sign-up worth serious consideration. Earning Sky Miles. The Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card offers 2 miles per dollar spent on Delta purchases and 1 mile per dollar on all other purchases. For a business that spends $50,000 annually on Delta flights, that's 100,000 Sky Miles in a year not including the welcome bonus. That's enough for multiple domestic flights or upgrades. It's important to note that miles earned outside of Delta purchases are not as generous, so businesses that do most of their spending outside airline tickets may find the earning rate less impactful. This is why understanding your typical expense patterns is critical before committing. Travel perks and benefits. The card provides several travel-related perks that make business travel smoother. First checked bag free for the primary cardholder and up to 8 companions on the same reservation. Checked bag fees can add up to $35 per bag per flight. For a company sending multiple employees on trips, this can save hundreds per round trip. Priority boarding on Delta flights, which means less stress and faster boarding during business trips. Discounted Delta Sky Club access at a reduced rate for cardholders, which can be valuable for long layovers or meetings on the go. Expanded partner benefits including access to certain airport lounges when traveling internationally or on premium cabins. These perks reduce the friction of frequent business travel and help employees stay productive, which is a major hidden value most people overlook. Annual fee and other costs. The Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card comes with an annual fee of $99. While not negligible, it's relatively modest compared to higher-tier business airline cards that can cost $250 to $550 annually. Most frequent Delta flyers can offset this fee easily through miles earned and perks like the first checked bag and priority boarding. Some users mistakenly focus only on the annual fee, but when calculating the net value of the card, it's important to consider miles earned through purchases and welcome bonuses, free baggage, perks, priority boarding, and productivity benefits, discounted lounge access. When viewed this way, the $99 fee is often outweighed by the tangible and intangible benefits. Redemption options and flexibility. Delta Sky Miles can be redeemed for flights on Delta and its SkyTeam partners, including KLM, Air France, and Korean Air. This provides flexibility for international business travel making it easier to reach destinations where Delta alone may not operate. However, the value of miles can fluctuate depending on flight availability, peak travel dates, and route popularity. A savvy business owner can maximize redemption by booking early, avoiding peak travel dates, and leveraging Sky Miles for upgrades rather than just standard economy tickets. For example, redeeming miles for a business class upgrade on a transcontinental flight can deliver more than double the value per mile compared to a domestic economy ticket. Expense management and employee cards. The Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card allows you to add multiple employee cards at no extra cost. This enables your team to earn miles on business travel while maintaining centralized control of spending. Employee cards come with spending limits, which helps manage cash flow and track expenses, a key feature for businesses that need accurate bookkeeping and expense reporting. Insurance and travel protection. Another often overlooked benefit is travel insurance and protection. Cardholders in 2025 receive trip cancellation / interruption insurance for covered reasons, baggage delay and lost luggage coverage, rental car insurance, on eligible rentals when the card is used for payment. These features provide peace of mind and can reduce unexpected costs associated with business travel disruptions. Comparison with other airline business cards. In 2025, the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card competes with several other airline business cards. American Airlines Business Platinum Card: offers higher earning rates on American flights, but comes with a $250 annual fee. United Business Card: provides United miles and access to United lounges, but has a similar annual fee structure. Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card: offers general travel rewards and more flexible redemption, but lacks airline-specific perks. The surprising truth is that while other cards may offer higher point values or broader redemption options, the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card is tailored for businesses that frequently fly Delta and benefit from operational perks, making it highly cost-effective for the right business model. Who should consider the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card? Businesses that frequently fly Delta for domestic or international travel, companies that can utilize the first checked bag free and priority boarding perks, businesses looking for a card with a moderate annual fee and employee card options, companies that can take advantage of the welcome bonus and strategic mile redemptions. Who might leave it? Businesses that rarely fly Delta or prefer flexible, non-airline specific points, companies that value higher points per dollar across a broader range of expenses, small businesses with minimal travel needs where the annual fee isn't justified. Potential drawbacks. Limited to Delta flights and SkyTeam partners: while this is beneficial for some, it limits flexibility if your business frequently flies other airlines. Miles valuation varies: redemption rates can fluctuate, and some peak flights require significantly more miles. Perks mainly apply to travel: businesses that spend heavily outside travel may not see as much benefit. Most people get this wrong. They assume that all airline cards deliver equal rewards regardless of travel patterns. The real value comes from aligning the card with your actual business travel habits. Conclusion. So, is the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card worth it in 2025? For businesses that rely heavily on Delta flights and can leverage perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, and employee card management, the answer is a strong yes. The combination of a welcome bonus, ongoing miles accrual, travel perks, and moderate annual fee makes it a practical and valuable tool for frequent flyers. However, if your business rarely flies Delta, values general travel flexibility over airline-specific perks, or doesn't have frequent employee travel, other business credit cards or travel rewards programs may provide better overall value. The key takeaway is this: the Delta Sky Miles Gold Business Card is best for businesses that maximize its airline-focused benefits and travel perks. If you can align your spending and travel habits with the card's features, it will pay for itself many times over, making business travel smoother, more efficient, and more rewarding.